Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change page size in Bluebeam. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch Bluebeam Review desktop and open the PDF whose page size you want to change. So let's say this is the document. Now at the top of the window, just go ahead and click on document, then select page setup. So this is page setup. So you see that this actually opens the crop and page setup dialog where you can adjust the page dimension and scaling. So in the page setup tab, just go ahead and locate media. So here you have files and you have pages. All right. So before you go ahead to locate the media size drop down, you're going to have to click on next. So next is going to take you here. So here where you have page setup and crop pages. Under page setup, you're going to see media size. So under media size, go ahead and click on the drop down and choose the new paper size you want, such as letter, legal, tabloid, ARCH sizes, A3, A4, just whatever size you want it to be. And of course, once you have selected the size that you want, okay, maybe letter, you can just choose. Then as soon as you select a different file size, you see that the preview updates just like what we have here, so you can see how the page looks like. All right, so if the size you need isn't listed, just go ahead and click on the media size drop down, and once you click on it, you can just go ahead and select custom page size. That's if you see the option for you to enter custom page size, which you have here. So you can just go ahead and click that, then choose either portrait or landscape, then enter the width, the height from this, enter the values for the width, the height. And once you're done with all of this, just go ahead and click on OK, and it's going to apply to the document. Now this custom size actually lets you create pages with custom dimensions for specialized drawings or documents. All right, so adjust the scale if necessary, and once everything is A and OK, you can actually choose if you want it to appear on all the pages or just selected pages. All right, and once you do that, just go ahead and click on OK. So how do you tell if you can apply it to all the pages? You can just go back to here and select if you want this to apply to all the pages, a current page, custom page, and then click on next, apply all your settings, and once you're done, click on OK. So go visit tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.